Hello, I'm Shannon from Postcards from Shannon. This September, I had an early morning train from Munich to Italy and decided to spend the night near the train station to maximize getting a few Z's. The Hotel Royale offered cheap accommodations, and as you can see, it's close to Munich Hauptbahnhof. Here's my review of the Hotel Royale on Schillerstrasse. Alright, quick hotel tour, guys. Hotel Royale on Schillerstrasse. It's in a very sketchy neighborhood between multiple strip clubs, not judging, and hookah shops. But you know, bathroom, I mean, it is what it is. Sink, toilet, and a fascinating collection of mold. We're not going to worry about that. This is very odd. Alright, so shut that door. And the bedroom. A place to work. I'm charging my batteries. Plenty of storage, traditional safe, a few hangers. And they're the hangers I hate. They're the don't steal me hangers. But honestly, it's the kind of place hangers might get stolen. Okay, nice TV. Bed is very clean. The sheets are very clean. All the linens are very clean, and that's what I was looking for. Those do open up. They open all the way up. I can escape if I need to. It's a pretty chilly night. Restaurant, a few cabarets. Get the idea. And I don't know if we can see it. If you've been watching my videos, you know the only time I'm afraid of heights is in buildings. But there it is, right down there, the train station. Not this kind of guy, but really good view into people's rooms. But yeah, I mean, it's nice, it's adequate. Clothes for tomorrow, bag for tomorrow. Unfortunately, I am now down to one pair of jeans. I'll show you tomorrow on the way to the train station. I biffed it, man. I ate it hard. Yeah, I ate it hard on this pothole in the sidewalk. I mean, when you see this thing, it's a booby trap. And I'm embarrassed because the reason I ate it so hard is I looked down at my phone to see if I was heading in the right direction and totally ate it. And, okay, not much of a light there. Totally ate it and broke the phone, which is a little ironic given how I've been lamenting about how much better travel was when it was all on the fly and you had to look at maps and you had travel guides that had hotel ratings and you'd call them. I might be living in that world, so we'll see. So would I stay at the Hotel Royale again? If I had an early morning train, yes. Otherwise, no.